Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make Ford Ranger faster, only way. Start by diagnosing intake, exhaust, and tuning before adding power. Focus on airflow first, then efficient exhaust, and only then adjust fueling and timing. A calibrated tune ties changes together and prevents detonation or limp modes. Keep maintenance current and test results with safe runs and data logging so you know each mod's true effect. Swapping the intake is an early, effective move for more power. Aim for a cold air intake that reduces heat soak and raises oxygen density. Smooth, larger tubing and fewer bends drop intake restriction and help the turbo or engine breathe. Combine that with a quality reusable filter and you get consistent gains without risking debris ingestion. Always check for water intrusion risk when changing intake location. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel. Quick recommendation: pick up these leak-proof containers to keep your meals tidy between wrench sessions and avoid greasy seats after track day. They stack nicely in the Ranger and survive bumps without spills, which honestly saves a lot of cleanup time. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. A better exhaust reduces back pressure and complements intake upgrades for noticeable gains. For turbo models, a larger downpipe opens power earlier and at higher RPM. After any hardware change, a professional flash or custom tune is required to optimize timing, fueling, and boost targets. Proper tuning ensures reliability and extracts safe power while preventing check engine lights and limp home modes during spirited driving.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.